Bangladesh is a country with a rich cultural heritage and a growing economy. And its people have a strong reputation for being hard-working and dedicated. Over the past few years, the country has emerged as a hub for freelancers who offer their services to clients all over the world. In this article, we will explore the world of Bangladeshi freelancers and their impact on the global market. Freelancing has become an attractive career option for many in Bangladesh, especially in the fields of information technology, web development, graphic design, content writing, and digital marketing. The country's young and talented workforce, coupled with its affordable living expenses, has made it an ideal place for freelancers to establish their businesses. One of the biggest advantages of being a Bangladeshi freelancer is the availability of cheap but high-quality internet services. In addition, the government has taken a number of steps to support the growth of the freelance industry, including offering training and support programs for freelancers, reducing taxes on freelance income, and encouraging foreign investment in the industry. As a result, Bangladeshi freelancers have gained a strong reputation in the global market for their high-quality work and dedication to their clients. They are known for their ability to deliver projects on time and on budget, and for their excellent communication skills. Many Bangladeshi freelancers have built successful businesses that allow them to work from anywhere in the world, which has helped to boost the country's economy and create jobs. However, the freelance industry in Bangladesh is not without its challenges. The lack of proper legal frameworks to protect freelancers from payment delays, contract disputes, and intellectual property theft is a major issue. The competition is also intense, with freelancers from other countries offering their services at lower rates. Despite these challenges, Bangladeshi freelancers continue to thrive and make their mark in the global market. They are a testament to the country's potential and the dedication of its people to excel in any industry they choose. In conclusion, Bangladeshi freelancers have become an integral part of the global freelance industry. Thanks to their high-quality work, affordable rates, and strong work ethics. With the right support from the government and the private sector, the freelance industry in Bangladesh has the potential to grow even further and make a significant contribution to the country's economy.